Alright, quick video on the Landrover Discovery today. Got an 04 SE7, had a sunroof leak. To get in here, you gotta take the headliner down. Not as hard as it looks. But once you get the headliner out of the way, you'll find that there's two drain tubes. And I suspected that drain tubes were plugged, but that's not actually what it was. There's a frame that goes around the sunroof here that the tubes connect to, and the little trough has RTV because it's a metal tray and a plastic catch that the hose is attached to. You take a T20, zip all those Torx bits out, and you pull that pan down, and we'll go over here, and there is a little catch. That's where it's RTV'd in there. It looks like this. You gotta pop that out, get some new RTV down in there, reattach your hose, and you'll have a non-destroyed headliner. So this is what it looks like before it came out. You can see that over the years, the RTV is just not totally sealing out anymore. So what's happening is the drain system isn't plugged. It's dripping out of this seam right here and causing the headliner to be destroyed. So it's really not that hard of a fix, but if you're getting a new headliner, which these are super popular to have headliner issues where they're hanging down, and it's because these sunroofs leak and the glue fails. So just a quick one here. This is the Discovery. I got the doors off, pretty fun. Get the headliner fixed up. Get these sunroofs sealed up. We'll be having some fun on the trail. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.